Hello everyone, today I am gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 boot loop issue on your PC. If you update your Windows 11 PC or install any application on your Windows 11 PC, you may face this problem on your PC. So let's see how to fix it. You can solve this problem in two simple ways. Let's see what the methods are. Go to Troubleshoot option, click on Advanced option. Here you can find two easy methods. Number one, system restore, other one, startup settings. Number one method, click on system restore option. Here you can restore your computer easily and it will fix your problem easily. Number two, click on startup settings option. Click on restart option. Select safe mode using your keyboard and press enter. The computer is opened in safe mode. You can see here. Now you can easily uninstall that software from your PC. Just go to Control Panel and easily uninstall any application from your PC. You can also uninstall or remove Windows Update from your PC. After that, just shut down or restart your computer. You can see here, problem solved. In this way, you can easily fix your boot loop issue on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching this video.